Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure your health and stamina are sufficient and your stance suits the enemy. Once you see the enemy wind up, tap the dodge input toward the nearest safe gap, not simply away, to keep pressure. Make short, deliberate dodges against light attackers to build timing. After a successful dodge, immediately reposition or counterattack. Don't wait. This first step sets timing and spatial awareness, so repeat until the dodge window becomes instinctive. Once you have basic timing, advance to late-frame dodges for unblockable attacks. Dodge as the attack is about to land to pass through enemy hitboxes. Make sure to blend dodge with a sprint or directional input to flank and force enemies into longer recovery frames, which creates counter windows. Also, use stance-specific perks that extend invulnerability or adjust recovery time. Practice on mixed enemy groups to learn how dodge timing differs per attack. Then, to finish, commit to a follow-up. A quick counter or heavy strike during the enemy's recovery window punishes predictable foes. If you find yourself missing dodges, immediately back off about half the screen to reset enemy aggression and recover stamina, then re-engage with cleaner timing. If directional dodges feel inaccurate, make small camera or sensitivity adjustments and practice in a safe area. One key troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly fail, slow the encounter pace and force single-target engagements to rebuild timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.